Hello everybody and welcome to my channel, and today we're doing this awesome recipe and it's super easy and with so little ingredients you could do it with your eyes closed. First of all, you need some cabbage and I wanted to cut it this way. Add olive oil into a baking pan and lay your cabbage. You can add some salt on top and pepper. And then add some olive oil on top of the cabbage. Now you can place the pan into the oven for 40 minutes and 200 degrees Celsius. When it's all done, you can plate it, and it's so delicious. You can add some yogurt or mayonnaise to plate it too. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you did, subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos.